Friends, welcome back to Code Tonight. In today's video, we will see how to read JSON data into SQL Server. So what we have here is we have one and varchar variable here, and we have passed some random JSON string into that. And what we want is we want to parse the JSON and use in the SQL queries. Okay, so for using JSON data in SQL Server, we have to use OPENJSON. Now, OPENJSON is a method provided by SQL Server to parse the JSON object. Okay, so we have written select star from OPENJSON, and this is the data which we have in the JSON format. Okay, now after the with you have to put a bracket, and here we have to write the properties that are available in the JSON. Okay, so we have color and value over here. So we have written color, and we can give any data type here. Then we can say value and data type. So if you run this, then what you will get is you will get both of the columns that you have written here. Okay, because we have selected star over here, so this data will be deserialized in the format of rows, and you can see the select star from OpenJSON has given these results. Okay, so this is how you can deserialize the simple JSON object. Now, friends, sometimes what will happen is you will have nested data in the JSON object. So we will also see how to parse JSON objects which are nested ones. So here we have another example where we have JSON data, and this time we have used nested objects, and what we are trying to do is we have to parse this property. Okay, so in OpenJSON you can pass additional parameter which will tell which property you want to deserialize. So $.path will be the root, and then it will say to, and then will be the lang. Okay, so basically it is saying you have to deserialize the lang property over here. So now if you execute this, then you will see it has returned the results which are from the lang property. So you cannot deserialize all at once. So this is you have to do property by property. Okay, so this is how you can access nested properties in the OpenJSON. Okay, so if you have any issues in understanding this, then you can comment on the video. And if you want the code, then what you can do is you can go to codetonight.com, and this is our official website, and you can read our blog how to read JSON in SQL Server. You can open that, and here you can see the code that I have just showed you. Okay, so if you have any issue, then please comment on the video, and thanks for watching, guys.